Oh, I'm not done. I have to go. How long are your arms in there?
They washing basically. Right. Yeah, can you get ready?
Kind of living on the.
Not a lot of it. Right. You got the
Yeah.